We all know how important water is for our good health. We must drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water throughout the day. But it is also important the position in which we drink water also affects our health. We must sit and drink water slowly because the body benefits. The reason for this is that our muscles and nervous system get relaxed and helps the nerves to digest food and other fluids easily. Most of the people drink water while standing, which can cause many side effects in our body. Let's know the disadvantages and side effects of standing and drinking water. Number 1. Kidney failure. When we stand and drink water, it will start coming out of the kidney without being filtered. When water enters the stomach with pressure, all the impurities gather in the bladder, which can cause serious damage to the kidney. This will increase the risk of kidney infection or kidney failure. Number 2. Heart problem. Standing and drinking water do not cause food digestion. In such a situation, this food starts converting into cholesterol, which can increase the risk of heart disease. People who always stand and drink water are more likely to get heart disease along with lungs problem. Number 3. Problem of arthritis. Standing and drinking water may lead to health issues like arthritis and joint damage. When the flow of water is high and along with the high pressure air, it affects the entire system that might lead to problems like arthritis and joint damage. Number 4. Ulcer problem. Standing and drinking water starts affecting the lower part of the esophagus tube. In such a situation, the risk of ulcer problems may increase. Number 5. Indigestion. When we stand and drink water, food will not be able to digest properly. In such a situation, the problem of indigestion increases. Number 6. Problem of constipation. The food does not get digested properly by standing and drinking water. In this case, there can be a problem of constipation. Number 7. Problem of acidity. Standing and drinking water causes more acid to flow back in the body. In such a situation, the problem of acidity can increase. Number 8. Damage the digestive system. When we stand and drink water, it will with pressure reaches the stomach rapidly through the esophagus. This puts more pressure on our stomach and surrounding area, and it damages the digestive system. Number 9. Affect the biological system of the body. Standing and drinking water, the water pressure affects the entire biological system of the body. Number 10. Affect the lungs. Standing and drinking water also affects the lungs because it stops the supply of oxygen in our food pipe and windpipe. Number 11. Lack of hydration. Standing and drinking water does not satisfy one's thirst properly, and due to this, we feel a lack of hydration in our body. Number 12. Urine problem. Kidney function is to filter water. When standing and drinking water, it is unable to do its work properly, and water does not filter properly. Urine does not come clean and the dirt stops in the kidneys. Due to this, there is a kidney problem, infection and burning sensation in the urine. Number 13. Stomach disease. Standing and drinking water move water rapidly through the food pipe. This causes damage to the organs around the stomach. Due to this, stomach disease can occur. I hope you like my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.